Today I'm in one of my favorite communities in the whole of Long Beach. Want a home in a picturesque neighborhood close to the sandy beaches and trendy restaurants of Belmont Shore? Want to live in a family-friendly community where all the homes have their own individual style? Or looking for a larger home for your growing family? Well, today you're in luck, because this single family home presents an opportunity to do exactly that in a neighborhood where homes of this caliber rarely hit the market. Welcome to 645 Ultimo Avenue in beautiful Alamitos Heights. And don't let this quaint and charming exterior fool you, because once inside you'll notice the expansive open concept design that is sure to impress. Plus, I haven't even mentioned the indoor-outdoor living that this home delivers on. Come on, let's go take a look. This home offers 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and over 2,400 square foot of living space, including a bonus room that could be used as a gym, office, media room, or even a 4th bedroom. But take a look at this living room. Look how inviting it is. You've got the beautiful fireplace, the original hardwood floors. It has so much character. I'm absolutely loving it. But you know what? Let's go take a look at the heart of the home. And look at the open concept floor plan that this home delivers on. I'm absolutely loving it. The rooms just flow beautifully together. You've got the kitchen, the quartz countertops, a great island, plenty of cabinet space, and look how it flows into the dining room. Take a look at these cathedral wood beam ceilings. Talk about adding character to a home. Plus the natural light is in abundance. I absolutely love it. You also have an extra living space as well. The kids can hang out in here, you can hang out in there, close the French doors. What more do you want? And there's a great feature of this home that I can't wait to show you. If you have friends or family coming for a couple of days or even a week, they're not gonna feel like they're imposing. You can close these doors, they've got their own bathroom, they've got their own bedroom. It's like their own wing. It works really, really well. I can't wait to show you the bonus room and the primary bedroom, but first, let's take a look at the secondary bedroom, shall we? Perfect for a child, really, really good size, nice size closet as well. I think they're gonna love it. And if you thought the home was already big enough, take a look at this bonus room. Like I said, office, media room, gym, even a 4th bedroom. It's absolutely perfect. Direct access to the garage, plus a door to the outside. This, if you ask me, is a really special room. And here we are, the primary bedroom. What a great size. You've got the his and hers closets. You've got the tray ceilings. There is character throughout this entire home. Plus you've got an abundance of light coming through these doors, your own balcony. What a nice, tranquil, secluded primary bedroom to spend your evenings. This home delivers. Plus, you've got a great sized bathroom as well. You've got the double sinks that everyone loves, the jetted tub, and a beautifully sized walk-in shower. I love walk-in showers. I think you will too. And let's talk about the outdoor living, shall we? Wow, you've got the outdoor dining table. We have a fire pit as well. The pergola, if it gets too hot in the evening, blocks the sun. These beautiful lights. This place in the evening will look spectacular. Hanging out with your family, relaxing, or if you want to have a party, 25 people, no big deal. This space is incredible. Plus, I have a whole backyard to show you. Come on, let's take a look. And you thought the outdoor deck was enough space for you? Take a look at this backyard. I'm absolutely loving it. It's secluded, you've got the mature trees, the beautiful colors. Want a swimming pool? I think this is a perfect space for it. It kind of has an English vibe, if you ask me. I absolutely love that. So if you have young kids, maybe a dog, this is their dream backyard. Voila. I absolutely love this home and its location. What a great size. You've got an attached garage, air conditioning, beautiful backyard. It's great for entertaining. Awesome schools in a safe neighborhood. Plus, the Colorado Lagoon project is about to be completed. If you ask me, that means home prices are going to be on the rise. I'm Matt Tilley, the British Bloke. Give me a call if you want a private showing. I hope to hear from you.